Hello viewers, Martin Hughes here, and this is qualifying for an open 30-minute sprint race at Midland Karting in Fradley Park near Lichfield. As you can see, the track is wet. We'd had rain all day. Luckily, the rain held off for qualifying. This is my first time on a wet track, so I'll take the first couple of laps just trying to get used to the kart and how it responds. One thing that I wasn't expecting was the amount of understeer on the kart. It did take me a little while to get used to. So qualifying starts the next time we cross the start-finish line, and for my first wet race, for my first wet qualifying, I've done pretty well. I held my own. I'll talk us through this lap. We've got a hairpin at the end of this right hand hairpin. We're then flat out for a right left hand S-bend section, which is my favourite part of the track. Trying my best to keep as close to the apex as possible. Missed them by miles. Understeer there, and we've got the double hairpin again, more understeer. We've got a sweep that starts left and cuts back right, and then we've got a left right hander which is back onto the start finish straight. Again, like I said, for the first time of racing in the wets, I had a pretty decent qualifying round. It didn't take me too long to kind of get used to the wet track, and eventually we're going to come in second place. We're going to start second on the grid, which I'm really proud of. So we go into that double hairpin section, left, right. Too wide there, and then we come in and we snug this sweeper right, left, right into the start finish straight. The protocol for these sprint 30s is, first of all, you do sort of between 5 and 10 minute qualifying, and then they don't actually tell you your times. They just go, right, okay, you're next on the grid, and they sort of point at you. You sort of congregate at the sweep area at the back end of this circuit, and you don't really know how well you've done until they point to where you are on the track. There was different. The karters were all at sort of different experience levels. There was a kid. He's got a white helmet. I don't remember his name, but he'd actually got his own helmet. He'd been got his own suit. He'd been karting a few times. So, obviously myself, I've done a little bit of karting. And I think the rest have maybe been karting once or twice. So you had people at different sort of karting levels. You had a couple of members there actually. So yeah, the grid was made up of 7 of us, all varying different karting levels. Okay, back into the start finish straight. Right, left. Onto one of the longer straights into the right hand hairpin, back on it, flat out. In the dry you can take this section absolutely flat out, kissing both apexes. You slow down here for the double hairpin section. Now the kart in front, if I remember rightly, is kart 30. He ends up starting first on the grid. He was pretty rapid, but somehow I think I managed to narrow the gap. I think he one of the members, so I think he knows the track a little bit better. His straight line speed was a lot quicker than mine, but because of my weight advantage I was getting more traction in the corners, so I was getting quicker corners than the kid. So about another 3 minutes to go of qualifying. Got a back marker holding him up now. But because this is a time trial, he really probably should have backed off a little bit, because that really held him up. But we get past the back marker pretty quick. Back on it. Please remember, if you are new to my channel, give me a like and subscribe for future karting content. Reviews of different tracks along the UK. Hot laps, where I try and take on different tracks' best and average lap times. And just general karting videos like this one. Please remember to give me a like and subscribe. Click the bell for all your notifications. And then when I post a new video, you'll know when I've done it, because you'll get the notification on YouTube. You get a lot of oversteer there. Recovers pretty well though. The back end kind of comes out quite a bit. It's really difficult to make the corrections, especially in the wet. Again, there it is. A lot of oversteer. We're getting hard on the brakes, making the correction. Again, I've got loads of understeer, and I'm taking that one way too wide. Again, that straight line speed of kart 30 is making him difficult for me to bridge that gap between me and him. Again, taking that hairpin too wide. We are starting to find sections of drier places on the track, so the times I guess are starting to come down. They feel a little bit quicker. We've got into a better rhythm. Okay, letting us know that this is the last lap. Go, push, push, push. And there's the checkered flag. This is where we all start kind of slowing down, and then, well, everyone except for me start slowing down, and we then congregate at the sweep section at the back, where we find out our grid position. Took that too wide. It's a good job I'm not on a flying lap. We'll be back tomorrow with the full race, and it should post between 7 and 8 PM BST, British Standard Time. We'll see you again tomorrow. Thanks for watching. I've been Martin Hughes. This is Hughes Behind the Wheel, Hughes Karting. We'll see you tomorrow. Thank you for watching.